Next, begin adjusting the capping part. Place the cap to be screwed onto the cap tray. Press and hold the reset button. Release it once it turns red. Wait for the machine to automatically reset. The gripping head will return to the initial position. Start adjusting the initial position of the gripping head. The cap tray will raise. Check if the gripping head is aligned in the center of the cap. Ensure the gripping head can fully catch the cap. Now the gripping head and the cap are in the correct position. The height of the gripping head still needs to be adjusted. The spring inside the gripping head should not be too tight. Now begin adjusting the height of the gripping head. Adjust the height on the operation screen. Check if its height is appropriate. Its position is just right. Click Grip Cap. Click Lower Cap Tray. Now begin passing the cap screwing position. Adjust the Y-axis. The gripping head is now in working standby mode. Next, adjust the distance between the bottle and the gripping head. First, move the bottle below the gripping head. Do not move too fast. Next, start adjusting the three working positions of the gripping head. The first position is cap screwing standby position. The second position is cap screwing start position. The third position is the cap screwing end position. The first position, the cap and the bottle mouth should be roughly level. The screen shows 103.15. Enter this into the gripping head preparation position. Continue moving the gripping head downwards. The bottom of the cap should reach the cap screwing end position. The screen shows 124.73. Enter this into the third position. The value for the second position is the third position's value minus 4.